Good morning, guys, from the beautiful Cape Vidal here underneath the forest here at the log cabins. And for breakfast, you can only do this at Cape Vidal. We're going to be flipping the best homemade burgers at Vidal. And I'm going to hand you over to Chef Mazay.
Hola! It's burgers. Burgers got many recipes of burgers, and this one I did myself because I like different things. Okay, what you got here? I got the meat for two burgers. And the meat is mixed. It's got pork and it got beef, good quality, always. Mixture of beef and pork is according to people. I like to say it half of a thing. Though, to the burger, not to dismantling why you frying or grilled, normal grilled, I will add half, for two burgers, I will add half slice of bread, you can see, but the bread I had a little bit milk. Then with the fork, you do like this to be soft and don't see the piece of bread when you eat the burger. 1 egg. We're going to do it like this. It's nice mix. Fried onions, olive oil, and because I'm Portuguese and we cook with a lot of lard, pork fat, got a little bit of pork fat. You can see for 2 tablespoons. Garlic, I said, we like garlic. I said for 2 burgers, not overpower, half teaspoon crushed garlic, look. Put like that. Salt to taste. Salt to taste. I like to add some paprika. Not paprika, smoked paprika, but paprika. And black pepper. Quite to taste a nice black pepper. And we're going to mix all this and keep aside for half an hour. Mix good, mix as mix the thing. You leave here half an hour. Put here. That's a burger. That's my nice fat burger. Look at now you flattening. Flat a bit looks big, but remember when you put in a grill, it shrink.
Nice size burgers. What's that, about 150, 200 grams?
200 grams. That myself, I never do that. They were nice size. Because this side, I was going to put that a bit. Well, this side I'm going to grill some bacon to add. Some slices of bacon. Then we got here cheese. I got mozzarella because I like mozzarella, and cheddar for Deon. Then greens. Normal the hamburgers is lettuce. Now I got greens. I got a mix of greens here to get flavor. Lettuce to give flavor. Now, tomato. I make a relish. And look at that, crunchy. And that's it. You can serve instead of tomato sauce. I don't like tomato sauce.
Too much sugar, not good for you.
No good for you. To get nice and warm.
And the monkeys
And
also
the
want hamburgers
monkeys want burgers.
for breakfast.
Yeah, they're
The
talking.
monkeys are
They're
here.
telling the others smell food. Oh. Mm-hmm. Why I started to do the bacon here, just to release a little bit of the nice
fat.
taste and fat, because now the buns will come here
And be toasted in that pork
in
fat.
that little bit pork fat. You see, just drops to
And
give
adding more flavor to the
more
burger.
flavor to the burger. And is almost cooked.
Really
And
done.
the time to cook, the bacon cook gives flavor
Adds
See.
more flavor to the
and
patties.
cook slow.
Yeah,
In
cook
a
slow.
slow, even if it's on fire, you could cook them in
Low,
fire.
low coal.
Low coals, because they must
Cook slowly.
cook slow. Look, the juices, it's cooking. Because if it was not cooked, you do that, will come blood out. It's cooked. Look.
Nearly cooked, yeah.
Nearly cooked. See,
Excellent.
and juice and soft. Look
Juicy
at that.
and soft.
Look at that.
So
Huh?
just to let the viewers know, we've
Yeah.
used Angus beef mince and pork.
Pork
lean
is
pork mince
loin from
and
the loin.
50-50,
Yeah.
approximately 50-50.
Yeah.
Smells delicious.
Okay, now you saw it. Now I butter the buns and goes
Butter the
here.
buns and we're toasting them a bit. You need to warm up your hamburger buns.
Now I'm going to add the
Cheese.
cheese. See?
You turn them over again.
Cheese. For my dear's husband is 2. He don't love cheese. 2. For me, 1. Bacon. Bacon. Bacon.
To help
To help melt the cheese.
melt the cheese a bit.
Mm.
Those are nicely toasted,
Look, brown, nicely color,
warm.
nice and warm. Now I'm going to add the nice tomato relish. Look at here.
And try and avoid using the relish from tins. Make your own, please.
This been
Homemade.
don't use tin food. It's very bad for you. Now comes the leaves. Beautiful leaves. Look here.
Your favorite greens. Doesn't have to be lettuce.
No.
Anything, any of your
Any.
favorite greens.
Favorite greens. Yeah. This is for Lise.
Voila.
It's hot, and we do like this, and look. And if you have for lunch, you can serve with chips, whatsoever. Look at it.
Delicious. Cheers, happy hamburger day from Cape Vidal.
Bye bye. Adeus.
Love you guys. Cheers. See you again soon. Guys, adieu, Alamuna.